just a short video on the mean proportional. The mean proportional is defined as the square root of the product of two numbers. So let's just say we have a rectangle and it's, let's say, 9 by 4. We know that the area of this is 36. And if we were to have a square with the same area as this rectangle, then it would be a square with side length 6 by 6, which is also 36. So let's isolate this rectangle. Nine by 4. Now, and if we were to get a compass and place the center mark here and put it up here and drop it down to the base, then that would be the same length of 4. And if we were to divide this line, 9 and 4, into 2, we would get a semicircle like that, and you would extend up this line. And this line here represents the mean portion of line 9 and 4. And we know that this line is equal to 6. So I'm going to go and explain how this works. So we get this line 9 and 4. And then we find the midpoint of that line, and we draw a semicircle around it. And we extend up from where the two lines meet up to that semicircle, and that is the mean proportional. So let's make two triangles out of this. So we'll join here to here and there to there. And let's label it triangle A, B, and C, and BC, and D. So we know that these two triangles, ABC and BCD, they're similar. This angle here is 90 degrees, and this angle here is 90 degrees because they're both straight line, and this is a perpendicular line. And we also know that this angle here is 90 degrees because any angle subtended at the center of a circle is twice that subtended at any point on the circumference when it's based on the same chord. And the angle at center here is 180 degrees. So therefore this angle will be 90 degrees. So let's go ahead and put some numbers on these triangles. So the angle in this here is 90 degrees in the triangle ABC. So let's say this angle here is 30 degrees. Then this angle here, ACB, would have to be 60 degrees. Because in a triangle, all angles add up to 180 degrees. So 90 plus 30 plus 60 is 180 degrees. In the triangle BCD, the angle up here would have to be 30 degrees because 60 and 30 is equal to 90. And the angle here is 90 degrees, so that means the angle over here has to be 60 degrees to add up to 180. So these two triangles are similar because all the angles in them are the same, and also it shares the side which is the mean proportional BC. So we know that the ratio of sides in both triangles is the same, and also that BC is mean proportional. So we're going to try and prove that. So we can say that BC all over AB is equal to BD all over BC. And then we just cross multiply them. And that is BC squared is equal to AB by BD. And then BC is equal to the square root of AB by BD. And that proves that BC is the mean proportional, like we said at the start, because the mean proportional is the square root of the product of the two numbers. So, like we said, square root of the product of two numbers of 9 and 4 is 36, and the square root of 36 is 6. And that's the mean proportional.